Creating content online can take you a lot of time, so I'm a big fan of using technology to make your life easy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that you can use to create content online to stay consistent and get the followers and likes you want to get. The good thing about this is that all these websites are completely free to use and you can create content over and over without having any coin to pay. So the first website which I'm going to be showing you here is called answerthepublic.com. So this website is free, like I said, and this website helps you to get questions and what people are searching online. So I'm just going to go straight away to show you an example. So if I just type a keyword, let me say car. So once I enter search, this website is going to go through and find out all the words, the key search terms, and what people are finding about cars online. So this is just an example which I've shown you. So they've given 80 questions, and if you look at it here, you can see who car registered to, who car is this. So you can see many questions that are here. Where are car registration? So if you go down here, this part is the best part here. So as you can see, the type of questions that are asked. So you have questions under comparison, you have questions above here under propositions, and then the first which was above here, we have just questions what people are asking randomly. So what you need to do is just come down here to the bottom, and as you can see, questions are in the alphabetical order what people are searching online. So if you're able to understand this website, go through the website on, use it over and over, you're going to see that you never lack what to create or how to create on a little idea that you had. So answerthepublic.com is so amazing. I'm going to leave the link in the description that you can use to access this website, go through it and understand. And if you want me to create a full tutorial video on how to get the best search options and how to select the best search terms that people are searching for to create your content about, I'm going to do that, and just give this video a like and drop a comment. So the next website which I'm going to show you here is a website that will help you for content creation. So quillbot.com is a lifesaver. So if you are someone who does copywriting or you have a blog that you create content every day, writing articles, Quillbot is a number one tool that you are going to use as a companion. So with Quillbot, all you need to do is go to any website or any blog post. Let me just say I search about UK royal news now. So we're going to see that since the queen just died, we have many things that are trending online and people are actually creating content on this every single hour. So all you need to do is just come here. Let's just say this text here. You can copy it. Let's say this is what you want to create your blog post or you want to write content about. So you copy this and take this to Quillbot. And Quillbot has a limitation of, let me say, let me just paste content here, or let me take from my, so as you can see, these are text which I've just written here. I've just copied, I've just pasted this from my clipboard, and that's the same way Quillbot works. You just need to copy text from any website or anywhere, and once you click on paraphrase, Quillbot is going to help you to paraphrase this text to prevent you from copyright, and it's still going to help you from plagiarism. So if you know how to use Quillbot, you're going to discover that your writing skills is going to upscale and you're going to produce the best content because you don't need to go to start creating this from scratch. You just need to know perfect websites that give valued content. You take it, paraphrase it, rewrite, go through it, and you can make changes right in Quillbot, and it's going to be super amazing. So if you're creating blog posts, you're writing content on a website, or you post on someone's page, Quillbot is a good companion for you. So the next website which I'm going to be showing you, and this website is the number one go-to for those who want to create design, is Canva. So canva.com is something that I use every single day. So Canva is a web design tool that helps to create graphics content, and the best part about Canva is not just about creating social media posts, logos, and Facebook posts that you use every day. Canva has one of the most amazing options for creators, which is the scheduler. So this scheduler works in a way that you can actually schedule your post directly from Canva, and it's going to post it to your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter in just a click. So you can be sleeping and you set up your post that on Tuesday, on Thursday at 8:30, at 6:30 p.m. This website should actually post to your page, and automatically Canva is going to do it for you. So I'm not going to go through all that detailed process here, but you can check it out. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is just select the date, and you can decide to add a title to what you want to post about, add everything and make it easy. So Canva content planner is so good. So you can check it out. Canva.com is a big lifesaver. So you can see you can make other designs and do so many things. So That is canva.com. I've already shared you the first website. And at this point, if you like anything I've mentioned here, or if you have heard something new, please give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more like this. So the next website which I'm going to be showing you here is for those who are doing affiliate, WhatsApp, or any form of marketing. This tool is going to change your business. So let's go to system.io. I'm going to leave a link in the description to all these websites that are completely free. So with system.io, it helps you for email marketing and for any form of marketing that you want to promote. So with system.io, you can create sales funnels, you can send email campaigns, newsletters, and get complete statistics. So you can create these landing pages on system.io that you can track them using your Facebook pixel to know the statistics of how many people visited your page, how sales are going on, and you can track everything. So let's go to the dashboard of system.io and I'm going to show you how it looks like for someone who is completely new and has not done anything. So this system.io, as you can see, you can track your sales, the number of leads generated, you can save these contacts, give them tags, and send them emails on a daily basis. You can also control a blog from system.io. System.io is so powerful and the functionalities are so much. So I made a video which I'm going to be tagging up here, which is going to show you how to create a landing page in system.io, and everything on system.io is very easy with their so good templates and everything that you need to create your business, control it, and promote online. So you can check out system.io if you are doing any form of marketing, or if you want to start marketing, system.io is a number one option for you. So guys, check the link in the description, click it out, and if you like system.io, come back and give me a comment here with a big thumbs up. So the next tool which I'm going to be sharing to you now is called Card. So many people face difficulties online creating websites. So card.co, so it's actually CARRD.co. So card.co is a free to use website builder that can help you create a one-page website in just minutes. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on login, which is very easy. You just need to put in your email and everything. So I already had an account, that's why I do not need to fill that information. So this card.io, card.co, and I'm just going to take on create a website. So starting to create a website, they have so nice templates, very easy to use, simple and fast. So all you need to do is just choose a template here, go ahead, customize it, and I'm going to create a full in-depth video how you can get the best out of card.io. So if you want to get more content like that, subscribe so that when I upload those videos, you're not going to miss, because card.io is actually very easy, simple to use. People just use these templates and customize it in the way they want to do, but I'm going to be explaining how you can get the best, like the super awesome fantastic features that Card has to give to you. So you can check out Card if you want to create a website. You don't need to pay for WordPress or actually pay $100 to maybe $300 for someone to create you a simple one-page website or any kind of website. So you can start up with Card, connect it with system.io, create your blog post from Canva, use Answer the Public to create your content on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and that is how we are going to go to blow up our business online. So the next website which I'm going to be showing you here is a lifesaver for anyone who wants to start creating video content on YouTube. So you can make $100 to maybe $1,000 per month using this website, and the website is called Steve.ai. So I'm just going to head over to Steve.ai, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So Steve.ai has the free version and it also has the paid version. So with the free version, you can be able to create many videos without having any stress, but for the paid version, it's going to give you advanced features like getting the best AI voices, and it's going to help you make everything simple. So let's get over to Steve.ai. As you can see the functions here, you can transcribe live script, you can transcribe scripts to live videos, and you can also change blog posts to live videos. So for instance, you just need to go to a blog like this blog we just visited here. You just need to copy this link. So once you copy this link, you come back to Steve.ai. As you can see, I already started creating a video here, which is on one of my channel, and now it is actually generating that video, which I'll just need to take and upload. So it's very easy. I just need to go to Steve.ai. So once I'm on Steve.ai, I just paste a link to that blog here. I take proceed, and Steve is going to go ahead and create for me a live video, maybe a presentation or anything I want with just a click. So you can see you can change a voice to a live video, you can change script to live video. This website is so powerful, guys. Like I said, if you use all these tools I've shared with you in this video, it's going to be so amazing. So you can see Steve.io gives you blog to live video, voice to live video, and you can also convert these scripts to animation, script to blog to animation video, and it's going to make your work so powerful. So guys, if you like this content, if you have heard a new something in this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share this video so that it's going to reach out to many people. And I always appreciate if you give me ideas on content you want me to create on this channel so that we can grow. And at this point I'm making this video, I'm at 314 subscribers. And if you're watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, as I'm going to be sharing you how you can use all these tools to start making money online. You can use everything here to make so much money, as you know what to create and you can attract your audience, you know how to write, and you can actually make everything you talk engaging. And you can actually have a website here which you can use for your landing page, and you can also control your business here, make your blog posts, schedule them, and use this to grow a big YouTube channel and make so much money online, up to $1,000 to maybe $10,000. It varies, and that is how we work online using technology. So guys, see you in my next video, and watch this next video here. It's going to show you how to use system.io, and the other video on the left hand side is going to show you how to use Canva. So guys, see you in my next video. Ciao.